Ukraine's acting President Oleksander Turchinov met Turkey's Foreign Minister Ahmet Davutoglu as Russian troops continued to patrol Crimea after they invaded the peninsula. Crimea has a sizable population of Tatars, a Muslim group who are culturally and ethnically linked to Turkey. The entire population was deported from the Crimean Peninsula during the rule of Soviet leader Josef Stalin. Many have since returned to the peninsula, now part of Ukraine, and now see the aggression by Russia as a threat to their safety. The crisis in Crimea could drag Turkey as well as other Muslim countries into the conflict with Russia, as Tatars voiced their strong opposition to occupation by Russian forces. Turchinov's meeting with Davutoglu came as the international community scrambled to respond to the Kremlin's aggression. U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry warned that Russia could lose its membership in the G8 World Economic Group and face sanctions if it doesn't pull back. The U.S., the U.K., and France announced they would not attend the G8 meeting scheduled to take place in Sochi. The new administration in Kiev has called up reserve troops and warned Russia to remove its forces from Crimea as tensions between the two countries quickly escalate. The Kremlin has claimed that Russians living in Crimea and eastern Ukraine face threats following the revolution in Ukraine, although there have been no reported attacks targeting Russians in the country.